Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We need to create about complementary solutions and particular solutions. So for the first one, I will put yc, that is about e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. When we do first the derivative of this one, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of lambda s. You got lambda. The second derivative of yc, that is about lambda square e to the power of lambda s. Because this is about complementary solutions, so I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. This one we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. This one we have negative number 2 e to the power of lambda s. And now we can do about factorization by e to the power of lambda s. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we have lambda equals to number 1 and lambda equals to negative number 2. So we have yc, that is about c number 1 e to the power of lambda s. So you got number 1 go in here, and we have c number 2 e to the power of negative 2s. Now about particular solutions, we can see that this one in here. So if we look carefully, we have e to the power of s. This one we have e to the power of s. So when we put yb, we need to put a plus bs plus cs square, because the highest power that is about s square. And the next one ds e to the power of s, because this one repeat again in here. That's why we need to increase about 1 unit of e to the power of s. That's why we need to multiply by s. And now if we do first the derivative of this one, that is about like this. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. This one that is about 2c. This one we have like this. Because I just apply the product rule of the derivative. So this one we have number 1. This one we keep the same. Now we go to second derivative of yb. So we have like this. So this one plus this one, we got number 2. Now we have this one. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here and this one go in here. So we have 2c plus 2d e to the power of s plus ds e to the power of s. And the next one we have b plus 2cs plus d e to the power of s plus ds e to the power of s minus number 2. And we have 8 plus bs plus cs square plus ds e to the power of s. Now we need to simplify everything. So negative number 2 with this one, they cancel this one and this one because that's about negative, but this one we have positive. So the next one 8 we have 2c minus 2a and we have b. About s we have 2c and negative 2b. And the last one that is about s square. Next, we still have about e to the power of s. This one plus this one we have 3. Now we need to compare coefficient in here. So this one that is about the numbers equals to number 1. We don't have s, so this one equals to number 0. This one equals to number 1 and 3d equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So that is about 2c minus 2a minus b equals to number 1. This one equals to number 0. This one equals to number 1 and the last one equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So we have a, b, c, d. After we got a, b, c, d, we put this one go in here. So we got negative 5 over number 4. So we have like this. So about y, that is about yc plus yb. Yc that is about this one. Yb that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.